Okay, this is a Onego new product, 4 gig RAM, 64 GB with DSP setting. Okay, it's got a special one. It's got a left and a right touchscreen button. Okay, mic input, reset. This is a main display UI. Okay, a full menu. Setting, a network internet, a turn on the Wi-Fi, pairing, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Okay, system, about device. This is Octa SP9853, Android version 8, 8.1. TS9, a 4 gig RAM with 64 GB ROM, 10.1 inch or 9 inch available. Is no DVD, no SD card slot, but it's come with the true USB extension. So it's got a true USB slot. You can connect with a USB pen drive or portable hard disk, and got a GPS antenna. EQualizer for DSP control. This is EQ. You can select here. Surround sound for the time alignment. You can do some adjust for the time delay, time alignment adjust. Bass boot. A June, bass filter. So this is more adjustable. Okay, you can back to default. Back to home. Music. Radio, so radio frequency. Select the frequency you want. Long press to save it. Band FM1, FM2, AM, back to FM1. Okay, video. So this is, the screen is HD version 1024x600, but you can support for the full HD version video playback. When you download the full HD video, you can direct to play it, no need to convert. A Bluetooth, pairing with your phone Bluetooth, you can change the pairing name. Change your own name, 464. Okay, then you can search with your phone, pairing with your phone for Bluetooth call, mic input, or you click for the music icon for Bluetooth music after pairing your phone. You can share your phone music to car player, back, a GPS. You can download Waze, Google Maps from the Play Store. Full setting, full menu, a file manager to manage your file. So it's got a true USB slot. You can move your file. Okay, example from the hard. This one is from the pen drive. Okay, select, then copy to hard disk. Music, paste. Okay, and play it. Steering wheel control, do your steering setting. Easy connect mirror link, selected phone model, got an Android USB, Android Wi-Fi or iPhone Wi-Fi. Play Store, log in your Gmail to download app. This is the menu, user menu. Setting, the car setting, steering control as well. Or got a, if a reset factory, the password is 7890. This is full factory reset. Or extra setting, password 8888. Okay. You can choose for the CAN bus setting. Selected car model, high spec model, you have to choose the CAN bus to connect with your original car setting or original reverse camera. Change your boot logo. So scroll down. You can screensaver, nighttime driving, radio or music keep on, but the screen can use for the screensaver. Touch anyway to turn it on. Okay, split screen, long press, drop here. This is split screen, left and right different apps. And this model also support for the dual screen. Front you can use for the GPS, and video output connect to the external headrest monitor or roof monitor for video playback. Video input and video output available. So this video is for the 10.1 inch. We also available for the 9 inch. 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, DSP function, Android version 8.1. Okay, one more. Touch light. Now it's a blue color. You can change your lighting. Change your own color. Your favorite color. Okay, special version, left right touchscreen button. Bend. A radio. Play music. Back. Mute. Short press for mute. Long press for standby. Long press again, turn on. Volume pass, minus. Okay, square button. Clear apps. Clear it one by one, or close all. Clear apps. Okay, so this is Onego 4+64. 10.1 inch or 9 inch Android GPS big screen player. I'll show you for the body, player body. So it's a long body, single DIN type. It's got a Wi-Fi antenna here to get more strong Wi-Fi receiver. And RCA, video input, video output, audio input and audio output. Okay, so this is Android player 10.1 inch. Video by Andy is from One Piece car accessory. Thank you.